and then I would get close to 30 bucks. So it can happen while I'm sleeping, and that's the cool thing. That's the cool thing about affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to go in depth into affiliate marketing and how you can start today and by the end of the week actually be generating some money. For those that are new here, my name's Artie. I do videos about health, wealth, and happiness. If you haven't been here before, please consider subscribing. Leave a thumbs up after you watch the video if you liked it. Okay, for those of you that do not know, affiliate marketing is super simple. Basically, you are promoting somebody else's product. You do not make this product, you do not own this product. You are simply promoting a product for another company. And if a sale occurs because of you, you get a small commission. The most standard way that this works is somebody has a website that they sell their product. Say it's nike.com/Air Jordans, correct? You do a product review on these Air Jordans, whether it's through a YouTube video, a blog, an Instagram post, a Facebook post, something in social media or whatever to actually gain attention. So you would be an affiliate, you would sign up for an affiliate program through Nike. This is just an example, guys, so hear me out. You would have your affiliate link would be nike.com/Air Jordans, and then there would be another /, and for me, it would be RDB, right? So anytime I did a review on that, I put that link at the bottom in the description, and so people watch the review, they click on that link, and they buy those Air Jordans. I would get a small commission because I'm the one that drove the traffic, that drove the client to that store to buy that product. So therefore, I'm entitled to a commission if I'm associated with their affiliate program. The most common affiliate program is Amazon. So all the reviews of cameras, phones, DVD players, TVs, everything that you see on YouTube is primarily going to link back to Amazon because Amazon usually has the cheapest prices on these things. The thing that I also like to use is Best Buy and Walmart. Because the competition is so high between Walmart, Amazon, and Best Buy, they like to match each other's prices. And even if it's not the advertised price, they will actually reduce the price in store to meet the price of an Amazon seller. So if you go to Best Buy and you want some headphones, but it's $3 cheaper on Amazon, you can talk to the store clerk and they'll actually reduce the price for you. But if you're doing product reviews of tech, whether it's phones, cameras, TVs, laptops, whatever, you can find the cheapest price on Walmart, on Best Buy, or on Amazon and sign up for each one of those affiliate programs and actually link back to that so that every time somebody watches your video, you get a small commission off of the sale. So here's how we get started. You need to create some sort of an audience. You can't sign up with these affiliate networks if you have zero audience. So what I want you to do, if you are a writer, I want you to start a blog. If you're really good on, like, say you have a radio voice, but you're really embarrassed to be on camera, start a podcast. If you're fantastic on camera, or even if you're unsure, start filming yourself because it actually takes a while to get comfortable on camera. My first video was the most awkward thing I've ever seen in my life. But what you want to do is either through Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Medium, whatever, blog posts, podcasts, you want to start talking about the things that you like to talk about. Even if they're not things that you want to talk about, but things that you can see as being monetizable, like you can make money off of these things, you're going to create content. You're going to create content that attracts people. You're going to start getting a small following, and once you have a small following, then you can apply for these affiliate programs. And through these affiliate programs, they ask you certain questions like, how many monthly visitors do you have? How much of a following do you have? What is your subscriber base? And then they approve you based on those numbers. And what I'd like to mention is also that Amazon, if you sign up for their affiliate program and you make a link, and within like the first 30 to 90 days, if you don't get much traffic on your links, if people aren't clicking, they will actually not approve your affiliate program, your membership to their affiliate program, because you're not driving traffic. They want to be affiliates with people that are driving traffic. So if you're not producing good content and people aren't clicking, you're not going to be able to be a part of Amazon's program. But over time, as you grow, you can reapply. So don't be scared if you get, blocked during the first try, because when I first tried, I had I had less than 100 subscribers on my channel. I wasn't getting any link clicks. So now, I have a larger following. People are clicking my links, so I'm driving traffic. Even if it's not converting to sales, Amazon likes to see that you're actually driving traffic. And so I can keep my affiliate program alive through Amazon just from the videos that I've done in the past. Now, I don't like the word passive income, but that's exactly what this is. You do have to put in some initial work, but over time, money passively comes in without you even thinking about it. So for example, I made a video on a treadmill. I bought a treadmill for my wife for her birthday, and we did just a silly daily vlog. And we recorded ourselves going to the store, unboxing it, building it, and then that was it. But the title of the video was the name of the product. It was the Proform CF something. I made that video almost 2 years ago, and people are still watching that video on the internet. It's got, 20,000 views or so, and I've managed to sell maybe 25 different treadmills to people. And so even today, even though I made that video 2 years ago, somebody could watch the video today, click on the Amazon link that I put underneath, buy the treadmill at the cheapest price, because that's the cheapest prices on Amazon. And it's a $700 treadmill, and then I would get close to $30. So it can happen while I'm sleeping, and that's the cool thing. That's the cool thing about affiliate marketing, is that it's passive income once you've put in the work. So I really don't like the word passive, but it is passive once you've already created the content and it's searchable and people are seeing it years down the road. Then it becomes passive income. I've got other videos where I've got income coming in. It's very small. It drips in here and there. But there are ways that you can do this starting this week, and I'm going to show you right now to where you can make money right now. So you've watched product reviews to get the things that you already own, correct? Millions upon millions of people make product reviews, and they make millions upon millions of dollars through the commissions and sales of these products. I want you to jump in that pool. The easiest way to do this is on YouTube. Now, there are two different options. There's one option for people that like to be on camera, and there's another option for people that don't like to be on camera. Option number one, record yourself like I'm recording myself on here, because I'm comfortable on camera. I can discuss a product. I can show you how it looks. I can play with it. You have some actual face-to-face experience with somebody showing you a product that you're interested in buying. The second option, placing the product on a table with nothing around. So it's just the product. Take your phone or whatever camera that you have and set it on a towel. If you slide that towel across the table, you'll get this nice cinematic view of the product, and then do like an upward angle and then a side angle, and then film yourself while you're holding it in your hand. Get like 13 to 14 different angles of this product while you're recording yourself on audio. Voice over. Give your review of the product. While you're showing the screen, discuss the screen. While you're pressing the buttons, tell them about the controls that have and the different settings. Basically, you're going to do a product review. And you're asking yourself right now, well, I don't have anything to review. What you can do is take every single piece of technology that you have in your house, whether it's a Thermomix blender, whether it's a TV, headphones, iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, whatever piece of tech that you have in your house, I can promise you somebody is searching that product right now on YouTube, even if it's like 5 years old. I'm actually making money off of a video that I did promoting the iPhone 7, which I'm actually still using, and that's what I record 99% of my YouTube videos is on this iPhone 7 using the headphones as my microphone. So what you're gonna do is record all of this. You're gonna do a great review on this product, whether you're talking to the camera or you're just doing B-roll and your face isn't on camera, and then you're gonna title the video the exact name of the product. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in-depth review. Or if the product's been out for a year or 2 years, you're going to write at the end of it, 2 years later, or my opinion after a year of use. Something to catch the person's attention that's just not the product name. Then into the description, I want you to put the product name like 3 more times, because you have to realize that YouTube is a search engine. It's not some person's not selecting videos. Oh, this is a good one, I'm going to promote it. It's all an algorithm. As long as it sees keywords and then multiplied keywords, when somebody's searching that, it'll see your video. And so it'll pull your video and show it to that person. So at first you're going to get very low views, but over time, over a year, you'll have 10, 20, 30,000 views on this product. And in the product description underneath, after you've dumped all your keywords, you're going to put a link. The best place to buy this product is on Amazon.com. And then you're going to put the short link that Amazon gives you, Amazon.com/whatever the product is, and then your affiliate code, but it makes it a really short URL. So it's amz.ly, like it's really short. And then people are going to buy that product from your review if it's a good review. Now it has to be good quality content because they've watched 16 reviews. And if your review is the one that sold them on it, then they're going to take your link, go buy it on Amazon, then you're going to get the commission. But you also have to realize that it's not just commissions for this one product. People can get driven to Amazon through your video. Say they watched my review on the treadmill. They go and they want to buy this treadmill, but they're like, not right now. But while they're on Amazon, they're like, hey, I need new toothbrushes, or I want to order a book. And so while they're in the same web browser and they want to buy a book and they buy that book, because I'm the one that drove them to Amazon, the commission of the sale of that book also goes to me because I'm the one that made them stop what they were doing and go buy something. So affiliate marketing it's not like this pyramid scheme, skeezy something. All you are is a salesperson driving traffic to a product that you don't own. Somebody else is selling a product. You're just the salesperson pitching the greatness of this product, and you deserve a commission for your efforts. That's simply what it is. So my top 3 choices for affiliate programs are going to be Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy. Because people search technology on YouTube constantly, 24 hours a day, this is the best way to actually make money because you can make a video today and by the end of the week have some clicks on your link and actually have some traffic and actually have some money brought in through Amazon. Now they only pay once a month once you pass like $100 or $50 threshold, whatever you set it to. But if you start now, slowly over the course of time, as you review all the tech in your entire house, you have 100 videos of every blender, every TV, every set of headphones, even couches or chairs from IKEA. Anything that you have in your house, you already own, so you can do an honest review on it. And I want to emphasize this, guys. Make an honest review. Only sell products, only promote products that you've actually used and that you want people to buy because it's a good product. Because if you drive traffic to something that's just a pile of crap, your trustworthiness level goes way, way down. Somebody's not going to watch your videos anymore because you recommended a product that was garbage and broke in a week. So you're no longer a good person to listen to. You're not respectable. You don't have a good opinion on things. So only review products that you thoroughly believe in, that you think will be beneficial for somebody to buy and that you actually own. So over time, as your channel grows and you're reviewing more and more products, people are sending you products to review. You need to actually use these products. And if they're crap, don't review them. Or if they're crap, let people know. This is how all of these big tech reviewers started. They all started with, the computer that their mom bought them, like MKBHD. I can promise you, check this out. Here's the statistics. His first 100 videos, he had 11 subscribers. So imagine putting in that much work and only having 11 subscribers, and they were probably your friends and family. I'm very fortunate. I'm doing what I'm passionate about. I'm getting subscribers, I'm getting likes, I'm getting income from this, and I'm simply trying to provide value for people. I'm trying to help people through bad parts of their lives. I'm trying to help people become financially independent. I'm trying to do good, and I'm not trying to make money off of it. The money's just happening because I'm doing good things. Now, if you're wondering why I'm not making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing, affiliate marketing, it's because I don't want to do tech reviews. That's not what this channel is about. Yes, I promote certain products. Yes, I promoted driving Lyft because that's how I made all of my income in 2018. And so I made a lot of money off of putting my affiliate link in that video. But that affiliate program no longer exists and I don't promote that. But with the videos that I made before, like the treadmill video. I'm still making money off of that. And I only promote products that I actually believe in. Like right now, I'm a massive advocate in reading books, whether it's reading physical books or audiobooks. That's why I have a link to Audible below every single video. I also link to the camera that I use, the Canon SL2, the iPhone 7. I only link to products that I physically use. I've already done reviews on these products. I don't gloat and promote constantly with every single video. That's not what this channel is about. I'm not a product review channel. I'm trying to motivate and inspire about health, wealth, and happiness. So when the affiliate part comes into my videos, it's very few and far between, and I really, really, really have to love a product to physically promote it. Like, investing is extremely important. So in my videos, I promote the RobinHood investing app, and it's very great because it's super simple to use. You can start with very little money and you can start building your portfolio to have a nice, comfortable retirement. But I'm not going to promote every single investment app that comes, across my table. I only promote what I actually use. So you'll see SkillShare because I learned a lot of stuff with video editing and voiceovers and all the stuff that I do for this YouTube channel. I learned off of SkillShare. I read like a crazy person. So Audible is an affiliate program below. The RobinHood app for investing, it's down below. Amazon links to the products that I actually use. Those are all down below, and that's how I make a little bit of money, but it's not the main source of income for this channel. What I'm trying to do now is explain to you that if you're struggling financially and you're sick and tired of your job, the affiliate marketing is the absolute greatest way that you can create some side income. And then once you get your first check from Amazon for $100, you're like, oh, there's something to this. I want to do more. And then you review more products and you get more into it. And then you start finding, your rhythm and your groove and like your voice on camera, and you start setting up your studio, and then you become the reviewer of a certain genre. Like if you stick with cameras, you'll be known as that camera guy. Or if you stick with only headphones, you'll be known as the headphone guy. MKBHD, he does all the new phone reviews. Like he does literally, like he makes cell phone awards at the end of the year that are actually valuable because he's got over 10 million subscribers. He drives a lot of traffic to buying most cell phones in America. So if you guys want to get started this week, record a couple of videos of the things inside of your house. Sign up with the Amazon Associate Program. That's what it's called. It's not Amazon Affiliates. It's the Amazon Associates Program. Fill out their questionnaire, say if they approve you. They should give you a trial period, which is 30 to 90 days, like I said earlier. Make your videos. Make sure you learn how to do YouTube SEO, the search engine optimization, so your titles are good, your tags are good, your description's good, your thumbnail's good. Do a good solid review and you'll get a couple of views, and you'll start seeing those clicks come through. You'll start seeing the commissions come through, and I promise you'll get the ball rolling. And this week, if you do everything properly, get the SEO, get the thumbnail, review the good product, you should be getting some clicks and some commissions by the end of the week. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I really hope you got some value out of it. I really hope you liked it. Please smash the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.